So here I am in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, where a lot of construction is going on. There's like marketplaces everywhere. I don't think there's a single place where you can't buy a blanket. It's crazy. Yes, I know, my hat, absolutely. I'm preferring function over style. But does that mean I'm going to be wearing black socks with sandals? No way. I guess they got a lot of questions about whether that was for sale or not. Too many. It's a long way up to this point. I still got a ton more to go. This is the steep part. Oh man. Tight fit. What's there? Here's the view of Cabo San Lucas from the top of the mountain. Sort of a playground for the rich. It's awesome, man. Is a heck of a long way down, but it's beautiful up here. So glad I did it. Just stunning. Water is so clear, you can see the canoe's shadow. Cool. Just love coming up to places like this. It just gives you such a sense of perspective, I guess. Everything seems so small and far away. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's true. Ow! 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 F***. Son of a bitch! Small cut, but it really, really hurts. This is the f***ing culprit right here. Oh. Stepped off the mountain and onto the beach. It's like a rock climber's paradise. Saw a seal there. There he is. Mine, 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 mine. Look at this. A cave you can walk into. Spooky stuff. Long way in. Smells like tea though. There's a great scene. Just bought myself a nice cerveza from the nice man over there. I'm thirsty and boy does it taste good. Cheers. And yet another tunnel to bore through. This is a little skinnier than the last one. Okay. Another tight fit. Made it. This is a fabulous bouldering section. Like I said, these are some pretty steep climbs. It's not without its casualties. And that's where I was. Kind of a long way up there, isn't it? But I did it. Some big waves here. Notice there's nobody in the water because these waves are pretty big. Can't believe it. I lost my t-shirt. I've got to wander around Cabo San Lucas for an hour without any shirt on. Can't believe I lost my shirt. Well, I bought my $12 t-shirt. It's amazing, you know. They offer non-stop t-shirts, 3 for $10, until you actually want one. Then they're $12 each. Rough out there. So I went hiking. Beautiful.